Hey, good afternoon all. Today we're back on the excavator, just taking care of a few little bits and pieces, and this is something that's always kind of drove me nuts for a long time. I got this one bushing here that's been stuck for a while, and we tried heating on it earlier and trying to get it to move. I got it to move a little bit, but never could get it to free up. So I ended up just kind of drilling a hole through it and take the pad off. Just kind of socked a hole through it to where I hit the pin with the torch. Then we welded a 1/8" pipe coupling on, and we got a grease zerk. I think this is about my, the thing is really tight. About my third attempt on it. And I'm just now starting to get some grease coming through both sides, so that's a good sign. I've seen him get stubborn before, but I don't think I've ever seen him quite like this one. Glad I only got one. Another hot one outside today. It's about 95. Humid. Need some rain. Yeah, see if you see some flames coming out the edge here. That's good. That grease catching on fire. Somebody get grease to go through him now. Yep, I hear it. Isn't that something?
And the fear is that they're sharing data directly with the Chinese government. It's actually being used as a spy.
She's getting in there.
I think it's corporate meetings, I think it's James Bond type stuff, with the cameras and briefcases, and only going to be somebody they're not supposed to carry, that kind of thing. So apparently this is what's flying looks like in 2020. 14-year-old Sam.
I use 60/11 rod. Weld it fitting on. 3/32, I don't know, like 55 amps, something like that. It welded pretty good. Yep, it's looking oily down there. That's a good sign. I'd say it's headed in our direction. It was hard-headed, but I was more hard-headed. Winning, I love it. We'll catch you guys later.